As futurist Amy Webb says, if we don't ask what if to envision future scenarios, we'll be asking what now? So we invite you to a What Now workshop to shape a regenerative future. Hey, I'm CKurjan. With my background in engineering, design, innovation, and foresight, I've led about 400 workshops all over the place, so I'm ready for you. A through line in all that is helping people move from thinking or not thinking to alignment and to action. This image from Dave's blog represents the pulse I felt reading his work on regenerative possibility chains. He asks us to take the next constructive steps beyond our futurist scenario processes to open up new ways to imagine how we redirect systems toward resilience and renewal, especially in times of disruption. I see it as reframing what design for impact and scale can mean. For this workshop, Dave and I are teaming up to offer a hands-on experience that blends foresight, design thinking, and impact, which are already formidable. The secret thread here weaves in techniques from complexity science. We'll think together beyond today's pressing issues to shape a regenerative response. Well, a response that would sustain a constructive society. So here's how it'll work. As you enter the room, you'll choose a persona role. It'll be your lens for engaging with the future, perhaps a sustainability leader or systems thinker, a change agent or storyteller, an ecosystem builder, or founder or tech builder. Find where you fit, working within a complex system, and test this role in a diverse team. We've designed a kit for each team to apply insights from Dave's presentation, with timely challenges, card decks for ideation, and activating prompts. Your team will construct a constellation for change, choosing attractors and constraints to apply at the hinge point. Aha! And the bigger aha will come as your team's outputs contribute to a larger map for the whole room, revealing our interdependence and collective strength. You'll leave with a future thinking toolkit you can use to lead positive change in your own context. We're excited to co-create with you because we'd like to make the future a space for possibility.